here. We're all ears.
And now receiving reports that the Corps' NA automated rendezvous system, which is the purpose of this 2-day free flight of the Progress away from the station to test its capabilities for future integration into Progress vehicles being prepared for future missions to the International Space Station. That system is now powered up, and the command has been given with the hooks now opening that have held the Progress in place at the International Space Station. We are expecting physical separation between the Progress and the station less than a minute from now. And right on time, we have physical separation as the Progress has undocked from the International Space Station at 3:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time. The undocking occurring 260 statute miles over Kyrgyzstan. Right on time at 3:58 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time. The Progress now slowly backing away from the aft port of the Zvezda service module. You can see in the lower left-hand corner of your screen two other Russian vehicles in the foreground. That is the Progress 55 resupply craft that arrived at the International Space Station less than 2 weeks ago. And just behind it, docked to the Rassvet module of the International Space Station, is the Soyuz TMA-11M spacecraft that will be returning to Earth in about 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks from now, to carry Mikhail Tyurin, Rick Mastracchio, and Koichi Wakata home after almost 6 months in orbit. We're about a minute and a half away from the firing of the Progress thrusters in the first separation burn. This will be a 15-second burn of 2 of the thrusters on the 53 Progress vehicle. This will be followed by about a 1 meter per second retrograde burn about 2 orbits from now to increase the separation rate. Again, 53 Progress will phase to a distance of about 300 miles in front of the space station, then perform 2 additional burns to move above the station to a distance of some 2.5 miles above the complex. Orbital mechanics will take hold and phase the Progress back behind the station for the initiation of its automated rendezvous sequence. Progress to return to the complex on Friday with a redocking scheduled at 7:15 a.m. Central Time.